All right, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? All right, so today we are doing the No Talking, Just Eating Challenge by raizadianne. That was created by raizadianne. And it's called the No Talking, Just Eating Challenge. And you just basically enjoy your food for 15 minutes. So Gavin and I, we both have some homemade pizza. He's got cheese pizza. I've got half barbecue chicken pizza, half pesto chicken pizza. Okay, so we are going to start a timer and we're just gonna get started. Oh, we're gonna say grace first. Dear Holy Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive for nourishment of our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And even if you aren't new, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video, and leave us some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook, interact with us, because we do like to hear from you. And as soon as I get finished cutting up Gavin's pizza, we will get started. I was like, this is a pretty cool challenge because, like she said, you know, we forget to sometimes just eat the food. We just get so encompassed in talking and stuff like that. And I know I get to chatty. Sometimes I'm quiet, but then other times I'm like talking up a storm. And
No, I'm quiet.
oh, it was funny. I told Gavin, I said, you got to be quiet for a whole 15 minutes. He said, you know, I don't talk when I'm eating. So we gonna see y'all. All right, so I'm gonna set this timer on Gavin's phone because I got one going on my phone already. All right. He barely made it, y'all. Barely. Okay.
Yeah.
Stop it. First of all, who told you to be reaching over here getting my pizza? And then of course, he gonna pick this challenge to be over here reaching for my pizza because I can't say nothing.
Yes, I did pick that. But also, I wanted some barbecue pizza.
You could have made yourself some barbecue chicken pizza.
You could have slapped me. Could have slapped me on my. Could have slapped me. Instead of just let me grab the piece.
That was pretty cool. I mean, I don't think I've ever been that quiet.
I've been.
Am I supposed to end the video after?
I think. Well, alright, y'all. That's it. And that's all. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And leave us down some comments below. Let us know things you'd like to see us try, things you'd like to see us cook, and interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to that channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications on the next time we post a video.
Period.
Peace out. P.S. Peace out. P.S.S. Peace out.
Oh, and why would this do this? Okay, and then like the bottom of one of these pieces is like soggy, so I have to put it back in the oven or something like that whenever I decide to heat it. Why would this do this? I did shake it up a little bit before I brought it over here, but I thought it had been sitting for a while. But these are I got these from Walmart, and I actually got them because Iswani said they were really good. Like I don't know which one she tried and probably was nasty. It probably was bubbly, Calvin. And I've been seeing people drink them bubblies. Well, Brianna is her name? Brianna from A and B plus 3 family. She got a bubbly and it was so funny. She was just like, no. It was basically like, God ain't in that. It's nasty. And then bubblies are nasty. It's like I need to taste it. Like it literally was like a hint. It was like the aftertaste, you know what I'm saying? Like if it had went down your throat and you still was tasting it after, but you ain't tasted on your taste buds. It was like, it's hard to explain. I know people like bubbly, but bubbly is gross. So anywho, but these are really good. They have a lot of flavor.
Is this bubbly?
No, this is called
Clear
American. And this is the Fiji apple or Fuji apple.
I call it Fiji. No, Fuji.
I mean, it's Fuji. And Fuji apples are actually my favorite apples. That's another point and contest. I don't know what I'm trying to say, the word I'm trying to use. But Calvin and Simeon, they love Honeycrisp. And I actually love Honeycrisp as well. But if I was choosing, like, I always get Fuji apples. Like, I don't know. I have probably, are they? Oh, and I get the little lunchbox sizes, and Calvin always makes fun of me. He's like, where you get this little baby apple from? He's like, he said, I'm going to bring you a real apple tomorrow because the Honeycrisp apples are pretty huge or what have you. But I like the little Fuji apples. I feel like they, they do the trick. Like, it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. All right. Ooh. All right, second to last day of challenge week, guys. So, again, I hope you guys have been enjoying challenge week. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. We are happy that you are here. Hope you stay. And, all right, that's it. Peace out.